Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming SSC photo rules and why they matter. Background color, head size, and clarity affect acceptance. Once done, clean the lens and fully charge your phone so you won't interrupt capture. Open the native camera app and switch to live photo or motion photo mode. This records a short clip around the shot. Make sure portrait framing matches SSC dimensions and position yourself against a plain background so the image and motion remain compliant. Now focus on framing and execution. Center your face with eyes at about 1/3 from top, maintain a neutral expression, and keep shoulders visible. Once you've set distance, around 0.5 to 1 meter, enable the grid to align headroom and use portrait orientation if required. Tap to lock focus and exposure so the live photo captures consistent lighting. Use a 3-5-second timer or a remote shutter to prevent blur, and take multiple live photos to choose the best one later. Finish by reviewing the recorded live photo for clarity, correct framing, and that the short motion didn't blur the face. Once done, save the original live photo file and keep metadata intact for SSC verification. If the image is soft or background distracting, retry with stronger diffuse light, move slightly back, or change angle while keeping head straight. If problems persist, switch to another phone or use a tripod and remote. That usually fixes shake and framing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.